No, PU exam, Ray. Again, see, how can you ask?
We have to write and send that exam, sir.
See, let us start. We have a relation called in PU limits chapter. You studied sandwich. In that, we have done this result. Sin x less than tan x. So based on this result, we are having a question. Limit x tends to 0. Step of 100 x by sin x. 100 x by sin x plus 99 sin x by x. So how to do this is, if you see this relation, sin x less than x, if you shift this sin x to denominator, we'll get x by sin x 1 less than x by sin x. That's what we'll get. That means x by sin x is greater than 1. Greater than 1 means x by sin x is tending to 1 plus. Same way, this relation you take, they gave only sin, no need of tan. Okay, fine. Now, if you write here sin x by x is there. Now, if you write a sin x by x, then we have less than 1 relation. Less than 1 means sin x by x tends to 1 minus. Less than 1 means 1 minus. Now, these two conditions let us impose on the question. Then what you will get? Limit x tends to 0, 100 into x by sin x. X by sin x means tends to 1 plus. X by sin x tends to 1 plus. Multiply here. 1 into 100, 100 plus. 100 plus meaning
Yes, sir.
is 100 point. 100 step value, 100. You know step function, right? Limit x tends to,
Yes, sir.
it's not about limit. Step 2.7 you want to find means 2.7 lies between 2 and 3. Left side integer is your answer. That is the concept. So 100 point means it lies between 100 and 101. So this is 100 plus, see next one 99 sin x by x. Sin x by x tends to 1 minus. Multiply here 99 minus. 99
Yes.
minus means less than 99. Less
Yes,
than
sir.
99 means 98 point something. So
Yes,
98
sir.
step value 98. So
Yes,
your
sir.
answer is 198.
Yes, sir. 198.
Yes. So this kind of question is expected.
Sir, tomorrow what time is the exam, sir?
Ray, you speak about exam to your college.
Okay, sir.
I don't know when they will keep. It all depends on their comforts, no?
Yes, sir.
Done. Yes, sir.
Okay, finish the
Completed.
right. See this question. Limit extends to 0. Cos x minus 1 into cos x minus e power x by x power n is finite non-zero number. That is so here finite number means we have to understand that limit should exist and it is equal to some number. So limit exists, then what is an value? So we have to do some simplification. Actually, this question based on expansion, but without expansion, I will explain you. I will give formulas for expansions next. See what I am doing here is, I am taking minus common from the first bracket. Then I will get 1 minus cos x. What I will do, I will multiply and divide with 1 plus cos x. 1 plus cos x multiply and divide into cos x minus e power x divided by x power n will be as it is. So numerator you can see 1 minus cos into 1 plus cos, 1 minus cos square, that is sin square x. Now minus multiply to this bracket, second bracket. Then you will get minus cos x plus e power x divided by 1 plus cos x into x power n. What I am doing here, observe carefully, sin square x into add 1, subtract 1. See here I added 1. Last I subtracted 1. Plus 1 no, minus 1 no. Now this
Sir, copied, sir.
copied.
No, sir, one minute.
No, so 1 minute.
Okay.
Sir, for Monday mains exam, till where we have to refer for Narayana material, sir?
Yeah, Narayana material exercise 1 of my limits. Actually, all models I completed. Maximum questions will be there in your material also. Whatever I am doing here. Did anyone identify that in material?
Yes, sir.
So definitely maximum questions will be there in your material because the same questions will be there in any book you take, any reference book. So standard models only I am doing. So thing is exercise 1 limits give maximum preference. Exercise 2 hardly 10-15 questions if you do sufficient. Differentiation I started yesterday, no? So I will try to do some more questions today.
Sir,
Yeah.
if you divide sin square x by x square, even if you multiply with x square, no, sir.
Sin x by x is 1. So sin square by x square.
Done, sir.
Right. So here you have to understand the numerator x cube. I separated x square here, x to second bracket. Same thing I am doing denominator x cube. almost over some. So limit x tends to 0. Sin square x by x square is 1 into 1 minus cos x. X value 0 if you write, then what happens here? 1 minus cos x by x. See, 1 minus cos x is a 2 sin square x by 2 formula. Denominator x you keep it as it is. Plus e power x minus 1 by x is 1 divided by 1 plus cos x. X value 0, right? 1 plus 1, 1 plus cos 0. Cos 0 is 1, 1 plus 1, 2 into x power n minus 3. If you see numerator, 2 into here sin x by 2. Sin square is there. Take 1 sin. 2 sin x by 2 you write here. One more x by 2 is there. Sin x by 2 by x. What is the answer?
Me
1 by 2
హోల్ కంప్లీట్ థింగ్స్ అన్ని తెలిసిపోతుంది.
by 2x power n minus 3. So here 2 cancel. Now if you write x value 0, then this numerator will become 1 plus 0, 1 by 2x power n minus 3. Now what they told is, it is a finite number. Finite number means 1 by 2 should be the answer. That means there should not be any x term. There should not be any x term means whatever x power is there, that should be 0. That means n is equal to 3. This is your answer. So I'll give you expansions and I will explain you 1 or 2 questions on expansions. Erasing. All of you note down the formulas, expansions. Definitely 1 or 2 questions will come on expansions. E power x expansion, x by 1 factorial, x square by 2 factorial, x cube by 3 factorial, etc. e power minus x, 1 minus x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial minus x cube by 3 factorial, etc. Log 1 plus x, x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 minus x power 4 by 4, etc. Log 1 minus x minus of x plus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 plus x power 4 by 4, etc. Sin x. Sin x is x minus x cube by 3 factorial plus x power 5 by 5 factorial. Next cos x. 1 minus x square by 2 factorial x power 4 by 4 factorial tan x. Very rarely they will ask tan x question, but better should have idea. X plus x cube by 3, 2x power 5 by 15. Only these three terms required. Last expansion is 1 plus x whole power 1 by x. E into 1 minus x by 2 plus 11 by 24 x square. Only these three terms required. So the questions they will frame based on these expansions straight away. All will get cancelled and directly you will get the answers.
So done, sir.
Done, na? Right.
No, sir, 1 minute.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Right. See the question I am writing. Limit extends to 0. Expansion based questions, how they will ask. You can easily understand it is expansion based. 1 plus x whole power 1 by x minus e plus ex by 2 by sin square x. Limit extends to 0. I gave you last formula 1 plus x whole power 1 by x. So write the expansion 1 minus x by 2 plus 11 by 24 x square, etc. minus e plus ex by 2 by sin square x. Limit extends to 0. E minus ex by 2 plus 11 ex square by 24, etc. minus e plus ex by 2 by sin square x. minus ex by 2 plus ex by 2 cancel. Minus e plus e cancel. Limit extends to 0. So in the expansion, if you see x is there starting next x square, next x cube, like that it will be there. So let us take x square common, so that you will get 11e by 24 plus some x term, etc. Because x cube will be there, x square I have taken common, so x by sine square x. Now let us divide numerator and denominator with x square. So that denominator straight away it is 1. These two cancel out. X tends to 0 given. Write 0 in the expansion. So directly your answer is 11e by 24. Because x is 0 means remaining all terms get 0. Hi, sir.
Finish, sir.
So shall I erase? Expansion based next question. Limit extends to 0. Sin x minus x plus x cube by 6 divided by x power 5. Sin x expansion. Sin x expansion. What is the formula? X minus x cube by 3 factorial, x power 5 by 5 factorial, etc. This is sin x. What is given? Minus x plus x cube by 6 divided by x power 5. Limit extends to 0. See, x and x cancel. X cube by 3 factorial. 3 factorial means 6. Minus and plus cancel. So we have x power 5 by 5 factorial means 120. Etc. is there. Divided by x power 5 is there. So let us take x power 5 common in the numerator. We'll get 1 by 120 plus. See, if you observe the expansion, x power 1 is there, 3 is there, 5 is there, alternate. After that 7 will be there, x power 7 by 7 factorial, like that expansion. So x square by 7 factorial, etc. divided by x power 5. So x power 5 cancel, x0 right in the remaining expansion, will get answer 1 by 120.
Done, sir.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute, sir. 1 minute, sir.
Okay. So whatever expansion based are there, complete. Questions? One more sum. Shall I write next sum?
1 minute, sir. 1 minute, sir. 1 minute, sir. Last line. Okay, sir. Sir, 1 minute, sir. 1 minute, sir. Okay, sir.
See the last question in expansion. Limit extends to 0. Ax e power x minus b log of 1 plus x plus c x e power x divided by x square sin x is equal to 2.
So what is the question written, sir? Limit x tends to 0?
Ax e power x
Yes, sir. B log 1 plus x, sir,
yes b log of 1 plus x
plus c x e to the power x by x square
e
sin x.
power minus x e power minus x.
C x e to the power minus x.
Yes, cx e power
Okay,
minus
sir.
x. So here all are direct formulas. Expansion direct. A x into e power x expansion 1 plus x by 1 factorial x square by 2 factorial etc. minus b into log 1 plus x expansion x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 etc. plus cx into expansion e power minus 1 minus x by 1 factorial x square by 2 factorial etc. This is equal to limit extends to 0 2 into I am cross multiplying and I am expanding sin expansion x minus x cube by 3 factorial x power 5 by 5 factorial etc. Now see the comparison. Write till here, then I will write the coefficients. Finally, we have to find out ABC values. That is our intention. So coefficient of x, x square, x cube. That is what we have to check now. Coefficient means multiple. See, ax, if I multiply to 1, I will get ax. So x multiple is a minus is there. See this minus? That's why mine I'm writing. Second expansion, see B. Second expansion B is there. X multiple is B. Coefficient of X I am writing. That means multiple of X. Here Cx into 1. That is Cx. X multiple is C plus C. Right side. If you multiply inside, what you are getting? X cube term you are getting. That means there is no X. So is equal to 0. Understood?
So once again.
AX means X multiple we have to write. That is A. That's why A I have taken. Minus is there. That's why minus. Second expansion, X multiple. X multiple is B. So B I am writing. Third expansion, C X multiple. C. That's why C. Coefficient of X means multiple of X. Now we have to write X square coefficient. Now multiply AX inside the bracket. See AX into X. AX square. X square multiple is again A. Here B multiply here. X square. X square multiple what you will get? Minus B by 2. By 2 is there no? Minus is there no? So minus B by 2 is the multiple. Outside already one minus is there. So minus into minus plus B by 2. Now this X again multiply inside. What you will get? Minus Cx square. X square multiple is minus C. This is second equation. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Right side there is no X square because we have to multiply and then check. X square if you multiply you will get X cube. So right side that's why I'm writing is equal to 0.
Sir, what we have to write, sir? Sorry, the last line, sir. To limit x to x tends to 0, sir. Sir, last line, sir. After equal to limit x tends to 0.
Sin X expansion I have written.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So X square coefficient done. Now let us write X cube coefficient. That means this we have to multiply with X square. X cube coefficient everywhere. Ax into X square, Ax cube. So X cube multiple is A by 2. 2 factorial means 2. Now B multiply here. X cube coefficient. Outside minus is there. So we'll get B by 3. Next, Ax in Cx into X square.
C.
Cx you will get C by 2. This is equal to right side also X square into X. That is X cube. Multiple is 2. Here 2 is there. So is equal to 2. So first equation, second equation, third equation. Solve the equations. You will get ABC values. That is only your question. They are asking simply ABC values. Sir, sir.
Done, sir.
Finished?
So what is the last answer, sir?
You have to solve the values now. You have to simplify. These three equations you have to solve. Then you will get final answer if you want. You will get A value 3, B value 12, C value 9. We have to get ABC values. That's it. So, chalo. If f of A is equal to 2, f dash of A is equal to 1, g of A is equal to 1 minus 1, g dash of A is equal to 2. Limit extends to A, g of x into f of A minus g of A into f of x by x minus A. So this type of question you have to do L-Hospital rule. You know L-Hospital rule. Numerator differentiation by denominator differentiation. So limit extends to A. What is g derivative? G dash of x. Only x function derivative. F of A means it is a constant. You write as it is. G of A into f derivative f dash of x by denominator x derivative 1. Now everywhere x means A, right? G dash of A into f of A minus g of A into f dash of A. G dash of A means 2. F of A means 2. G of A means minus 1. F dash of A means 1. So 4 plus is equal to 5. That is your answer. So in your material, L-Hospital rule heading will be given. 3 to 4 questions will be there. Do all questions. Definitely 1 or 2 will come. One power infinity questions. Do all questions under 1 power infinity. Last one more model is there. Finished there?
Yes.
Last question. The graph y is equal to f of x has unique tangent at the point A comma 0 through which the graph passes through which the graph passes. Now they are asking limit extends to A. This model important, definite question. You can see in your material somewhere 1 or 2 questions will be there. One I am doing, definitely one more will be there. By 3 f of x. What they are telling, the graph
Sir,
has
in numerator, what is that, sir? 1
Huh?
plus?
Huh?
In numerator, what is that, sir? 1 plus?
log of 1 plus 6 f of x.
Oh,
6 f of x. So what they are giving is that f of x, graph y equal to f of x has a tangent at the point through which the graph passes. Graph passes means whatever the point given, that is x comma y. Substitute this point in the curve. Then what you will get? X value a, y value 0. That means f of a is equal to 0. This is what they are trying to tell you. Now for this function, apply again L'Hospital rule. Limit extends to a. Log derivative 1 by 1 plus 6 f of x into 1 derivative 0. 6 f of x derivative f dash by 3 into f of x derivative f dash of x. F dash cancel. So limit extends to a. Write x value a. You will get 6 by 1 plus 6 f of a divided by 3. What is f of a given? 0. That means this part is 0. So 6 by 3. Your answer is 2. So that's all for today. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
thank you, sir. Bye, sir.